For this DIY, we will need a square chart paper. I have taken a 9 cm by 9 cm square. We will arrange it like a diamond and fold the diamond by joining this edge to the upper edge. Make a very neat fold. Now join the right edge to the upper edge. Make sure that you are making neat creases so it will be useful in the further steps. Repeat the same with the left side as well. We get a diamond-like shape here. Now unfold the flaps. Take one flap down and make a neat fold. Bring right flap over and tuck it in. Repeat the same with the left flap as well. This is how our basic corner bookmark looks like.